Hi, my name is Peigang Li. I'm the course coordinator of Welding Technology Sustainability Aspect in Welding at University West. We developed this course to give an overview of welding process focused on arc welding. The course will include the topics of arc physics, droplet transfer, heat input, optimization of welding parameters, with the aim to make the welding process more efficient, more productive, and more sustainable. We will learn and discuss together the most popular arc welding process applied in industry, including CMT, STT, K-TIG, TIG dynamic wire, and the other newest welding process. You will get the opportunity to discuss about your application and needs, which consequently enable you to select and optimize the welding process and parameters in line with a better productivity and sustainability in welding. The course follows our method of work-integrated learning and is a blend of theory and practice. Once you finish the course, you will have a deeper knowledge and be expected to learn more advanced and new welding processes, optimize welding parameters in line with better productivity and sustainability, and select the welding process based on different industrial needs. We are looking forward to your application.